Amitime, headquartered in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, boasts 3 major product bases in Zhongshan, Foshan, and Turkey. The company provides consumers with clean and efficient heat pump products that meet heating and cooling needs of billions of users in winter and summer. Centered on intelligent manufacturing, Amitime has introduced internationally advanced production lines, achieving an annual production capacity exceeding 2 billion yuan. Its product portfolio spans various fields, including residential and commercial heating and cooling, hot water supply, as well as swimming pool heat pump. As a leading brand in the heat pump industry, Amitime is supported by a professional R&D team of over 200 members, who had been driving industry advancement through cutting-edge technologies for years. In 2004, Amitime installed its first heat pump in Norway, within the Arctic Circle, providing warmth to the customers for 20 years. In 2011, Amitime completed China's first coal-to-electricity project in Beijing, and following several years of stable operation, the nation embarked on nationwide coal-to-electricity campaign. In 2013, Amitime introduced the triple-function heat pump product, winning the National Key New Product Award. In 2023, Amitime's heat pump products were extensively deployed on the Qinghai Tibet Plateau at an altitude of 4,600 meters, contributing to energy conservation and emission reduction in the region. Providing comprehensive technical solutions for heat pump heating projects is Amitime's relentless pursuit. From Northern Europe to West Asia and China, Amitime's engineering cases are spread worldwide, continuously enhancing its influence and contributing to realization of carbon neutrality. Over the past 21 years, Amitime has stayed true to its original mission by leveraging energy-saving and environmental protection technology solutions and high-quality products to provide users worldwide with comfortable experiences, thereby safeguarding and warmth and joy of families.